Ooh, what do we have here now? Looks like another physical game. And judging by the box it came in, limited run it is. Forever physical. Alright, so this is Doom 64. Came out, I believe, in 1997. I had it because I had the Nintendo 64. Made sure the one I got had the card that came with it. It's an early delivery. This actually wasn't supposed to be here till Tuesday. So what a way to conclude Doom Week with another unboxing. Oh wow, look at this. And it's very heavy. I've watched other people's reviews of this, and they all mentioned how heavy the box was. There we go. And it is, because there's a metal cartridge. They made the box. Let's notice the card first. Got Doom 64, limited run. Way cool. I can put it next to my other one. And then the actual box is designed to mimic the old Nintendo 64 boxes. Even the color scheme is the same. The back. Yeah, very impressive. The top. Front. It's a very beveled. Like, this is raised. I've watched other unboxing videos, and it is. This Doom 64 logo is raised from the box. And as you can see, the plastic's still on it. So we're going to get another video of genuine reaction. Here we go. Let's get this thing opened. Turn the music down just a little bit. Alright, opening this up. Opening it without damaging the box. So what a good display case. Oh wow, look at that. Alright, let's open it without damaging it. Okay, we got the physical cart here, plastic still on it, a poster, a guide, and then this is a metal cartridge designed to mimic the old Nintendo 64 cartridges. Wow, look at that. It's really heavy. Again, listen. Here's the gimmick. That's even heavier than the key card. Yeah, very good, very good. There wasn't as much in this thing, but again, I didn't need this. I just desired to have it because I already had it on my Nintendo Switch. Alright, and speaking of that, here, let me show you something. Alright, here I'm back. Here's my Nintendo Switch. I had all these on my digital. See, right there's Doom 64. But I like having the physical cartridges. Just because. And if anyone out there also has would like to add me as a friend, you want a game with me, Nintendo Switch, there's my friend code right there. I'll give you a second or two. Even if you're a hater and you want a game and you think you can kick my ass, well, don't sing it, bring it. So again, there we go. So this wasn't such an elaborate unboxing because there wasn't too much in this one. And I'm kind of making this video brief because we're about to have a celebration over here, celebrating my pagan birthday. It actually was yesterday, but we're celebrating it today because it's Saturday. And like I say, what a wonderful way to top Doom Week off by unboxing Doom 64. And even I still have my brother's Doom 64 guide for the Nintendo 64. I inherited it and he never questioned it, so if you're watching, just know, brother, that your Nintendo 64 guide is still in prime condition. Alright, open it up. Again, instruction booklet, the physical cartridge, limited run. Again, I had to pay a little extra for this one than what it normally was because it was sold out and I didn't find out about it till it was already sold out. So, cool. I hope you guys have enjoyed Doom Week. Like I said, it was my birthday this week, so I figured I'd do a different theme. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a happy rest of your Sabbath, and stay blessed.